Hey guys, it's Majesty, and today I'm doing Siri picks my slime ingredients. So let's get started. Okay. Siri, pick a number in between 1 and 3.
The answer is 3.
3, okay, so 1, 2, 3. I get this one. My slime's gonna look good. Okay. Putting. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. It's glitter glue. Squeeze. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I was able to squeeze the rest of the glue in. Now, the next round 2, which add in. Siri, choose a number in between 1 and 3.
It's 1.
1. Glitter. Okay, guys, I got more purple glitter here. Let's put it in. If I can open this. Okay, I opened it. Let's dump it. Wow, this is gonna be a disco slime. Alright, let's move on to round 3, which is activator. Okay, now for the activator, I got these two. Siri, choose a number in between 1 and 2.
It's 0.
Okay, well, I have to try that again. Siri, choose a number in between 1 and 2.
It's 30.
Oh, I put 1 into. Okay, one more time. Siri, choose a number, 1 or 2.
It's 53.
That's not gonna work. Siri, choose a number. The numbers are 1 and 2.
That would be 26.
Hang on, guys. Alright, guys, so I finally got Siri to choose the right number, and she chose 2. So it looks like I'll be putting in baking soda. Alright, guys, so I got the baking soda in, and it's starting to turn into slime a little. So I'm going to do a slime review in 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys, this is my slime. It's so nice. Sorry about the music, but yeah. It's like so stretchy and nice to poke. Hang on, let me take it out. Alright, guys, here it is. It's so nice. Makes my handprint, and it's so stretchy. It just like sinks down. It's so nice. It doesn't like break when you try to stretch, and it's like a galaxy. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!